Hello. Uh, Today I wanted to talk about how the quantum server will change our future connection and communication. And that's the subject today. Like I said, today the subject I wanted to talk about the future of connection and communication and how servers or satellites will be useless in future soon in connecting people and communication. And like we know in our days, all our data communication providers are able to provide data to customer using server satellites in space that collect sun rays and turn it to data. Then, then the data is sent to Earth and captured by servers on Earth. Then, distributed to customers or stored in data centers. And this is basically how data is provided by data provider in our day. But in the future soon, the connection that will provide data is from, will be from neutron, not from electron and proton that emit electric signal, and the electric signal is turned to binary code, then turned to data, then distributed as a data. But in the quantum technology, the data provider will use the nitrogen of air to provide data. And the technique used in this quantum provider is to try to make the nitrogen electromagnetic wave, you know, emitted by the neutron or the nitrogen will be translated to data. To enable the neutron or nitrogen to emit electromagnetic waves, we will have to strike first. Uh, you know, we will need the gamma ray. We will need to use gamma ray to excite that nitrogen and to we have to strike the we have to make gamma ray. But gamma ray is to strike the tungsten with the electric charge, and that electric charge hitting the tungsten will emit a gamma ray. And that gamma ray will will excite the nitrogen and will emit electromagnetic wave that can be translated to data straight from the excitation of the gamma ray. And this from quantum technology will replace the data provider from space server, space satellite. And this is basically how the quantum technology will replace the server or satellite in space in future soon. And I think I did go through basically through everything, to all the general aspect of the future of the data provider, I think, from quantum technology. And this is basically what I did want to talk about. And thank you for watching, and thank you for listening, and you have a nice day.